Hello everyone, thanks so much for being here. We're really excited for this opportunity to talk to you about something that the three of us are truly passionate about, which is creating more kid-friendly environments in which kids learn, play, and thrive. The kids in this city, in the city of Philadelphia, from K through 12, are being subject to airport-like security screenings as they walk into school every day. We're talking about metal detectors, bag checks. Think of how it feels like to go through an airport type of vibes. We can make this a lot more fun. Let's change the existing environment. It's a pretty cost-effective option.
So maybe adding any type of cool colors or artwork to a security structure.
The second option involves a greater lift. Imagine embedding technology for security screening actually into the doorway of an entrance. So you don't really think of the fact that you're going through a security screening. Kid-friendly security systems considers what type of impact security system screening has on the developmental brain.